The cover image, it's that image that you can select to appear right before the model it's completely loaded to show to your user screen. So here we stretch out a little bit the process of loading. So you can see there's shown no image whatsoever until the model kicks in. So in the cover image tab, you can upload a file for the cover image, or you can generate a cover directly from your model position on the editor. So you can just rotate, choose the better position, and click on the generate cover to take a photo automatically. So this is the generated cover. As you can see, they will remain still until you interact with the model. To see in action, we hit the preview button and we can see that the image is loaded first because the model takes longer to be loaded because it's heavier. So when the model is fully loaded, they took over and the cover image will be hidden. So for you to see the cover image again, you click the show cover so you can see it. And only for the editor, you see that you need to interact to remove the cover, but there's an option to disable the cover image exactly like you saw on the editor just by clicking. Or if you not choose this option, they will do automatically as you see on the preview. So when the model loaded, the cover image will automatically disappear. So now you see the clickable behavior. So there's the cover image, and the model will only take over if you click it on top of the cover image. So this is a customizable behavior that you can choose.